Hello everyone. Today I am going to start digital communication. In that we will be seeing amplitude shift keying or ASK. Now what is done in ASK modulation? In ASK modulation, my input signal will be a digital pulse from having sequence 10101 and I will have a carrier signal as usual as C of t. Now when you see that when I multiply these two signals, what do I get? Wherever I have 1, in that portion alone I will have my carrier signal. Wherever I have 0, my output will become 0. Again 1, again only in that portion I will have my carrier signal. Basically I am multiplying a digital pulse along with the carrier signal AC. Now let me show you the derivation. Now let our carrier signal C of t be AC cos 2 pi FCT. Now energy of the signal is given by AC square by 2 TB. From here I can find the value of AC as root of 2 EB by TB. Now in general for any digital communication, root 2 by TB cos 2 pi FCT is taken as the basis signal. In this case, for ASK alone, when I multiply, my S of t will be, instead of AC I will write root 2 EB by TB cos 2 pi FCT. I can rewrite this as root 2 by TB into root EB cos 2 pi FCT. That is nothing but root EB into psi of t. This psi of t is nothing but my basis signal. Now a very important part in digital communication is the constellation diagram. Now what do the constellations represent? It represents the value, these values. So here I have 0 and I have root EB. Both are positive. Now the distance between these 2 points is known as D minimum. Now what is the general expression for probability of error in digital communication? The general expression for probability of error in digital communication is PE is equal to Q function of root ED by 2 N naught, where ED is the difference of energy of two signals, and N naught is the power spectral density. In general it is N naught by 2. So if you need N naught, you multiply the value into 2. Now for this particular case, since we have 0 and only one signal as C of t, and this is how my resultant signal will look. The energy difference will be nothing but energy of signal S1 of t alone. That is nothing but AC square TB by 2. Now when I substitute the values, I get PE is equal to Q into square root of AC square TB by 4 N naught, where TB is nothing but the time duration. In general, in problems, they can give us RB also. RB is nothing but bit rate. that can be calculated as 1 by TB. So I hope ASK modulation is clear to you all. Please share the video. Thank you.